upon getting close to the Grand Canyon last night, Finney turned into every dad from every road trip movie ever and decided we needed to wake up at 3:45 so that we could get to the Grand Canyon before sunrise.
Sunrise this morning is at 5:11 in the morning, and first light is at 4:45. Like, where are we, in Alaska?
A review of the Grand Canyon sunrise. Freezing.
Definitely, by far, the best part of RVing for me. You go and you do the thing, but then you come back to the parking lot and you're back home. You know that feeling when you've had like a long day and you get home and you're like, flop on the couch? We get to do that in between all of the sites. It's just so comfortable and convenient as opposed to like being in the car and being out at the Grand Canyon all day and then going back to the hotel or something. So yeah, we're gonna be fully refreshed for phase 2 of Grand Canyon.
This is what Finney was talking about. As much as we get mad at the RV sometimes or have problems, it's also amazing to be able to like pull up right here, have some chippies, just enjoy.
Well, we found a sweet spot. It's on the roof of the RV. I know, right? Last stop on the Grand Canyon tour from the south rim over through the east entrance, which is Desert View, which is where we are now. So cool. Well, we're not doing the North Rim. That's like a whole other experience. But from what we know from the South Rim and the Desert View on the east side, this has a little bit of everything. Wow, you can see it down there. So we've got the watchtower, Colorado River here, and then you can kind of see the Colorado River winding through there. And you're getting like multiple perspectives, so no matter where the sun is in the sky, it's at least probably shining on part of the canyon. Report in, what time is it? It is definitely getting more crowded.
Yeah.
Like you can tell the field trips and that kind of tour buses are getting here, so it feels good to be wrapping up our day here at the Grand Canyon at 10 a.m. But if you think about it, we've been here for 5 hours, so
we saw it, we did it.
That's a lot to see, especially when you're not doing a hike. Obviously, there's lots more to do with the Grand Canyon. I'm sure you could have your whole week vacation here and raft the Colorado River and hike down and camp overnight, and there's lots to do and see, but I am actually going to go take a work call in a few hours, and there's no internet here, so we need to get back into a town and continue on our road trip within our road trip. Up next is Horseshoe Bend and Antelope Canyon. We're so excited. Play tourist. Top of the morning to you. Sunrise. Man, the sun is not up yet, but still the lighting is very nice.
We don't even have to say where we're going to be today. You'll see the
You'll just see, we'll see where we're going to be. I don't even know where to go set up the camera because all the spots are very scary.
Set up the time lapse, kid.
I don't even want to. This is like different than a cliff. This is like, they're so like way for,
They're way for what then?
Yeah, they just like look and then they're like up, so it makes it look like
How many people
scary.
have broken through the rocks since we've been here? At least 15.
I know we're about breaking through the rocks. It's just like visually scarier. And then what am I supposed to do for my phone time lapse? It's gonna just blow off the edge.
You're like 3 feet away from the edge. For perspective. Look how far away she is from the sides.
Everyone here is so legit. We just look like
Everybody's hanging off the side of the rocks and you crawled on your belly.
like back there. This is not a good spot.
Just
Well, now I'm gonna slip down. So graceful.
using the latest in photography equipment. A $10 egg timer from Groupon. Allison attempts to get the best time lapse.
Can I put this? Oh, I can put this on the tripod, right? Well, this is gonna look really. This is gonna look like we tried to be stupid now.
Well, no,
Nope,
I
we
think
didn't
it's
try.
believable.
It's all about the sacrifice for the shot. You have to push through your fears, and it's all about the end result and capturing the moment. I faced a couple challenges this morning. Detangled this necklace out of my braid I had slept in, crawled through the desert sands to the edge of the cliff to capture what I plan to be one of my best photographic moments. Well, think about how much thought had to go into this outfit. Like, this is what you wear at Horseshoe Bend. Turquoise, Aztec prints, a hat from Forever 21. I'm allowing us to leave. Didn't let the time lapse go as long as I wanted, but we have been here for a very long time. Tim enjoyed 0 of this. Maybe the first 30 seconds.
I truly did not enjoy this that much.
Tim was either bored or annoyed by other people taking pictures. And we're both kind of hot.
And hungry.
And hungry.
And whiny. But the good news is we pulled an audible. We decided we're not going to Antelope Canyon.
It's hard, like, filming and taking photos. It does feel a little bit like work. I mean, we're enjoying it, but like, we also feel like we have to do all of the top things and like fully like record them and like get the whole experience and be charming on camera. It's exhausting.
So this is the beginning phase of the day. That's cute. We woke up for pictures and video here, but now we have to go. We're gonna go park in a parking lot somewhere so we have Wi-Fi and we're going to work. For like real work.
And then from there we were going to go to Antelope Canyon, but
Yeah.
it's 90 degrees outside and we don't have a spot for Pepper, and we kind of felt bad leaving her in, well, not felt bad, like we wouldn't have done anything dangerous. We just like didn't have a solution for that yet. And it was just feeling like a lot of logistical stuff when we really, like the whole point is to have the freedom to do what you want to do. And
What we want to do is go to a lake.
Is go hang out on the lake. So we're just making that decision. The Antelope Canyon tour starts in about 10 minutes. I think I know exactly where I'm gonna be.